Hello everyone, Ms Mayberry here with some announcements for what's going to happen next week and for as long as we're out. Before I do that, I wanted to go through some quick tutorials here on how to get your photos off of your phone onto your Chromebook, since a lot of you seem to be having a problem with that. So I'm going to flip to my screen here. The first thing you need to do, first and foremost, you need to figure out from your phone how you're going to get your photo into Google. Everybody's phone is different, and since I'm not with you, I can't see your phone, so you may need to take a minute and do a Google search to figure out how you can get your photo off of your phone and the photography app you're using and into Google. Once you figure that out, then what I'm about to show you will be what you do. All right, so the first thing you can do obviously is email your picture to yourself from your phone. Open your email on your Chromebook, download the photo from there, and put it where you need to put it. Another thing you can do is from your phone, you can upload it into your drive and go from there, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So let's say you had your phone, you got your picture, you selected the things you needed to select to transfer it over into your drive. You have to make sure you're logged into your Google account on your phone to do that. Once it's there, you get on your Chromebook, and then you have to log into Google. Make sure you're logged in under the correct account that you were logged into on your phone. Then from there, you go to your drive and you find your picture. Now, I already had mine uploaded, so it's right here. You want to open it. Then you can go up here to the right and hit the download button. It'll pop up here down at the bottom, and you select open. From here, you can do a couple of things. You can save it to your drive. That was a right click that I did. And you do save as. Make sure you name it something that you can easily recognize and put it somewhere where you can easily find it. And hit save. You may also do a right click, copy, go back to your Google Drive, go to New, Google Docs, blank document, and from here you do a copy. So that's a right click and paste, or you can do a Control V for copy. The computer's a little slow today, and there's our picture. The other thing you can do is go to Insert, Image. Since I saved it on my computer, it's real easy to find because I put it somewhere where I know I can find it real quick. And hit open. And there we go. From here, make sure you're putting your name. I'm getting a bunch without names or what mod you're in, the mod and class that you're in, and then whatever else I've asked you to put in your assignment. Make sure you're reading through the whole assignment on Schoology so you know everything that needs to go in there. A couple other ways you can get your photo onto your Google Docs. You can upload your photo onto Google Photo from your phone, open up Google Photo on your computer, download it from there. You can also do the entire assignment from your phone. So that would be uploading your photo into Google Drives from your phone, copying and pasting it into Google Docs on your phone, and writing your assignment from your phone if you want. Or once you already have it started in your Google Docs on your phone, you'll be able to log into it on your Chromebook and work on it from there. Try that stuff. If it's still not working, then shoot me a message. Next week I'm going to start holding video conferences, which is what I wanted to tell you about next. On Tuesday, I'm going to be holding an official, I guess you could say, online class for everybody, where I'll walk you through any troubles, live tutorials with me. The first one will be for broadcast graphics at 10 a.m. The next one will be for graphic design at 10:40, and then digital photo will be at 1:30. This is all written out on a document too, on what I've posted on Schoology. How that's going to work: you'll get an invite from me, hopefully before the end of the weekend, to join your class. So keep checking your email. From there will be a link to the Google Hangout video class that we'll be doing. When it comes time on Tuesday for you to join your class, you go to that email, click on that link, and it'll bring you directly to where I'll be holding that meeting online. If you cannot make it at that time, that's fine. Please try to, but these will be recorded so you can go back and watch them later. But try to be there live, because that's a perfect opportunity to get questions answered and any troubleshooting. The other thing I've added is a discussion board on Schoology for each of your classes. Please utilize that to ask questions, help your classmates. Sometimes you have a question that 10 other people also have. So it's a good way for them and you to get quick answers to things. Leave feedback on remote learning. This is all new for me too, so any suggestions you have will be greatly appreciated. I will be giving extra credit if I see any of you that are able to help another classmate with a technical issue, such as maybe you have the same phone as somebody else and you figured out how to get your picture up onto Google Drive and you help that student out through the discussion board. I will give extra credit for that. There are some technical issues that I'm having that I haven't heard back from IT on. I'll continue to monitor that. Just keep in touch. As long as you're keeping in touch with me, letting me know you're trying, but if you can't get something completed, you'll still get credit as long as you've kept in touch. Just don't try to attempt it. Oh, I can't do it, and you don't tell me anything. I don't know, so you just won't get credit for the assignment. I will be really flexible in this time. I won't be that harsh on the grading as long as you're trying and making an honest effort at it. If, try to make the live classes on Tuesday. If you can't, send me an email and we can have a one-on-one video chat and I can give you one-on-one instruction on how to work some of these programs and all of that. For that, that's it for now. Please keep in touch. Please keep watching it on Schoology. Try to stay up on it. Start stuff on Monday when the assignment comes up. That way you don't get far behind and have issues at midnight on Thursday when I can't really help you because I'm in bed. Other than that, I will see you all on Tuesday, and have a good rest of your day.